Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add funds or money to Eneba Wallet 2025. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to add funds to your Eneba Wallet in 2025. Eneba may update their platform, but these are the general and most up-to-date steps based on current functionality. Now, how to add funds to Eneba Wallet, the full guide here. Now, here's the steps. The first step number one is log into your Eneba account. So visit the Eneba's website. You can simply search for www.enebawallet.com. Then you can find the login option. So simply click on login at the top right corner. Then enter your email or password, or use a social login like Google or Facebook or etc. Step 2 is go to your wallet. After logging in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select the wallet from the drop-down menu. Step 3 is click add fund. Inside the wallet section, click the add funds button, then choose how much money you want to add. Eneba usually offers presets like €5, €10 or €20. Choose a payment method. Eneba supports various payment methods depending on your region, like credit card or debit card, the Visa or MasterCard, then PayPal, bank transfer, cryptocurrencies like sometimes depending on availability, then gift cards, Eneba wallet top-up cards, so other local payment options like Ideal, then so forth, and many more like this. Now here is a note for you, like some payment methods may include a small service fee. Step number 5 is confirm the payment. After selecting a method, follow the instruction to complete the transaction. Once confirmed, the money should be instantly added to your Eneba wallet. Here is optional step that redeem a gift card instead. If you have an Eneba wallet gift card, then you can go to the redeem page and enter the code and click redeem. The amount will be added to your wallet instantly. Here is some troubleshooting tips. Make sure your payment method matches your region. Check if your Eneba account is verified. If your account is not verified, then the add funds or depositing will go in vain. So if funds don't show up, contact Eneba supports. Now you're done. You can now use your Eneba wallet funds to buy games, gift card or digital items instantly. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.